Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl krissym and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so today's video is going to be trying on new makeup products from Sephora. You guys, I recently ordered some stuff from Sephora. You guys, so I wanted to try it out with you guys. These are new products. Some are new, some are just like products that I'd never really got a chance to try. So before we hop into the video, if you are not yet subscribed to your girl's channel and you make it to the end of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you're not going to miss anything that I bring. So let's go ahead and hop into it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
Okay, you guys, so it has been like super crazy with me and buying makeup so often. Like, I feel like I have to have the newest and the latest products because I'm always trying to find the best products, makeup, skincare wise, for me. So you guys, I picked up a few goodies. It's not a ton of stuff because I have so much makeup. I need to get rid of some of it because I don't use it. But you guys, I wanted to show you exactly what I picked up. So this first item here, you guys, it is actually an oat cleansing balm. Let me show you guys a little bit closer. So pretty much it had really great reviews on there. It's pretty much cleanses the skin and it helps get the makeup off of your face. So you can use it from AM to PM. It was about $10 on Sephora's website. So I picked it up. I tried it last night and I thought it was so good. So I'll be using it more often to see how it works on my skin. The next product is going to be the NYX. This is the marshmallow. Now this one I didn't get from Sephora, you guys. I picked this one up at Target the other day, but I wanted to try it with you guys today. This is their new marshmallow primer, you guys. It's supposed to be really, really good. Again, I don't know. This is gonna be my first time trying it out, but I got the little trial size, you guys. I want to say the trial size is about $10. $8 to $10. The bigger size is $17. So yeah, I think it was about $8, you guys. But yeah, you guys, I've been wanting to try it for the longest. I've heard great things about it, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, you guys, so I don't know what that smell is. Some people are like, oh, it smells like marshmallow. No, it doesn't. I know what marshmallows smell like, and that is not it. Definitely doesn't smell like marshmallows, you guys. No, it smells like a baby doll. You guys know how you get like a brand new baby doll? I put too much on, you guys. I know I put too much on. You guys know how you get like a brand new baby doll and it has that fresh baby doll smell? That's exactly what it smells like. You guys, I put too much on. I look like a ghost. All right, you guys, next I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, you guys. The color on this one is Deep Chestnut. I'm gonna use this to go ahead and cover up any of the dark circles on my face. And this is my holy grail. This is not a new product. As you guys already know, I use it all the time. You guys, I just switched lighting. I hope this lighting is a little bit better. I don't know, I'm in the living room today. I wanted to change sceneries a little bit to see what it would look like, but I don't know. I feel like it's off a little, and I have my ring light here and everything. I think my boyfriend, like literally, you guys, had touched my settings, and I'm gonna need for him to get it back on track because I feel like it's off a little. It's not like what it was before. All right, you guys, so I picked up the Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got it in shade Honey, you guys. I'm actually going to use it just to go up underneath my eyes, just to try it. I know it's like an instant retouch thing, but I wanted to see what it looks like on the actual skin. I've never tried any of her setting powders, so I was like, let me pick up a mini one and see how I like it. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love her packaging. I just think it is so like refreshing and so chic. Okay, you guys, look at this. It has a cute little powder puff in there. So if you want to retouch, how cute is that? Now, freaking my Laura Mercier honey does not even have a powder puff at all. And that one was $38. But this one has a cute little tiny one. So cute, you guys. All right, let's go ahead and try it out up underneath the eyes. And you guys, I forgot that I purchased the Milk Makeup, their Hydro Primer. Oh my gosh, you guys, let's put it on our face. I've been wanting to try this. I've been seeing a lot of beauty influencers use this product and they like it. So I'm like, I need to try this. So we already put primer on, but we're gonna put a little bit more primer. You guys, how cute and tiny this is. So you guys, what I like to do, I like to get like little mini sizes so that I can try to see if I like it before I buy the actual full size. I don't know if you guys are like that too, but I feel as if I buy a bigger size of something and I don't like it, I won't use it. And that happens with a lot of makeup that I do have. So I would rather, you know, have a mini size, try it out for like a month to see how I like it, and then go from there. But you guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. So, oh, ooh. It's supposed to be really good. Let's just, oh, ooh. It has a, okay, you guys, it's not super uber sticky. It has that effect of being sticky, but it's not like a, ew, it's messy sticky. It's like a good sticky. Like, you know, it's gripping. It's gripping it. Oh man, I've been wanting to try this for the longest. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of patting it because I just put on my concealer. That's not too bad, you guys. I feel like my foundation is really going to stay and be good throughout the day. All right, so here is the powder, you guys. So this is honey. Now the honey to me looks a little bit darker than the Laura Mercier honey powder, but that's okay because I am a, you know, darker skinned girl, so. And it is translucent, you guys, so it's not like it's gonna like stay there even if it was dark or light. Even though it is darker, I mean. It's not like it's gonna be like dark, make my skin much darker. Okay, you guys, so the setting powder, that's not too bad at all. I feel like it gives me like a lightening effect here underneath the eye. So that way if I just wanted to go around that and just put the foundation here and just everywhere else, I could and still have like that brightening without having to pretty much do concealer again, set it, and then bake. Like, I'm done with baking. I've been done with baking for a long time. So you guys, let's talk about this new YSL foundation. Here it is right here, you guys. So this is a all hours foundation, you guys, which is a 24-hour foundation. The shade that I got is B75 Hazelnut is the shade that I picked up, you guys. Now, when you're on the Sephora's website, because I was not sure about my shade, you guys, I wanted to make sure I got the shade that was closest to my skin. It allows you to actually have a shade finder. So you pretty much put in any foundations that you use. I always use Fenty Beauty as my main foundation because that is my holy grail and I use it a lot of the time, you guys. Put it in there and then it'll actually pick out the foundation that's more closest to your skin. So that's what it did, and it told me that the B75 Hazelnut was my skin tone. So let's take a look at it. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Woo, this is elegant. This is like really, this is like my first high-end foundation that I've tried, you guys. I've never had a high-end, like this high-end. This retailed for $54, you guys. I have never had a foundation. So this is going to be used so much less, especially if it's good. I'm gonna be using this much less, you guys. All right, you guys, so it is a natural matte long-lasting foundation with buildable full coverage that helps blur imperfections without setting into pores, lines, and wrinkles. So coverage, it says it's a full coverage. Like right off the bat, it's saying full coverage, and it is a matte finish. Now, you guys, I believe they just have like a regular finish that is not matte. So if you do have more dry skin, you can purchase the other the original that's not matte at all. But you guys, I got matte because I have oily skin and I just can't be having those oils poke out. But you guys, I've heard nothing but greatness about this foundation on TikTok and just a lot of different other beauty influencers. So I wanted to try it and see how it is. I love the packaging. It looks fancy. It just looks rich. It looks fancy, like you got money. That's just what it is. Okay, you guys, so it has a pump. I like the pump. That's good. I'm going in with my damp beauty blender, you guys. And I'm gonna pump it. Ooh, okay. Pump some out. Hopefully that's not too dark. It looks a little olivey. Ooh. Ooh, it has a nice smell. Ooh, it has a nice smell, you guys. Ooh, God. Ooh, that has a nice smell. It smells rich. It almost smells like cucumber melon. Oh, it smells so nice, you guys. Look at that. How gorgeous is that, you guys? Oh my God, it smells amazing. I didn't even know foundation could have a smell. This one does. Look at that. Okay, the shade is good. The shade is on point. So if you guys decide that you want to go on there to pick it up, the shade is directly my shade, you guys can see. I'm glad that I changed spaces in my house, because my apartment, because it matches with my skin tone. It's on point. So I'm a 420 and Fenty Beauty, you guys. I'm a 420 in Fenty Beauty. So if you guys just want to know, like, which shade is she in Fenty Beauty? I'm a 420. So I got B75, Hazelnuts, and the YSL. If you are my skin tone, you're going to wear the B75 Hazelnut. Okay, you guys, so I love the smell of it. The smell is so fresh, it's so clean, it's cucumber smelling. I don't know how I like it, you guys. I'm gonna have to wear it a couple more times. I feel like right here up underneath my oh shit. I feel like right here underneath my eye, you guys, just a little bit of darkness that's coming through there from where I set my actual concealer and everything, and that part I don't like, which means that it's separating. But you guys, I found out a little trick on the TikTok that if certain ingredients are combined, especially when you're using like your primers and stuff, you can have a separation in that. So I will do a future video on that, kind of explaining and going over that as well with you guys, to what primers to use with certain foundations. Because if certain foundations has different ingredient from your primer, it could cause your actual foundation to separate. But if you use a foundation that has the same ingredient as your primer, your makeup will look flawless. And so there may be an ingredient in the milk primer or the actual, or that NYX primer. There may be an ingredient that's not clashing with this one. And so I need to figure that out so that way I can make sure that I'm not using these primers with this foundation. The coverage is there, like it's really, really good coverage. But I'm just confused about here, and that could be why it did that. So all right, you guys, so I went ahead and I just added a little bit more concealer and setting powder for that little spot that was kind of missing, and it turned out pretty good. So you guys, we're gonna move into another new product. It's coming from Rare Beauty, you guys. You guys know that Selena came out with her Rare Beauty, I want to say it was this past summer, our collection. So you guys know I picked up the collection, did a review on it. I would tag it up above. But you guys, she recently just came out with her cream blush. Let me show you guys. Her cream brush, you guys, the collection is called Stay Vulnerable. It's a melting blush. The color that I purchased is the Nearly Apricot. And I'm gonna show you guys the color here in a second. Let me just say this, you guys. I absolutely love her packaging. It's so motivating. It's just so genuine and it's so pure. Okay, on the inside of this, it says you are rare. How cute is that? That makes you want to get up, get your day started, get your makeup done, make you just feel so beautiful from within. I absolutely love it, you guys. And also, look at how cute this is. It's pink. I love pink. It's my favorite color, you guys. Rare Beauty on the front. And then you have the cute little melting blush on the inside. Again, you guys, this color is Apricot. Nearly Apricot is what the shade is called. I love the mirror there. So if I'm out and about and I want to do a touch up on my face, I can touch it up. This is really, really nice, you guys. Really, really pretty, really, really chic. I'm just going to use my fingers and just kind of go an upward strokes, you guys, on this. Oh, look at that color. So pretty. Let me swatch it. Okay. So pretty, you guys, so pretty. A good tone for my skin type. Let me tell you guys, as I'm rubbing this, it does feel a little bit oily. I'm not gonna lie, it feels a little oily, so hopefully it doesn't give me like an oiliness to my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Ooh, I'm messing up here, I'm messing up. Guys, that is so pretty, oh my gosh, like, how pretty is that? Okay, so it is, like I said, oily, you guys, but it's not going on as oily. It's more creamy than ever. So it's not going on like strictly oily where it's gonna mess up your foundation. That's definitely not gonna happen. But you have a nice little, you know, touch of color there at the cheeks. Really pretty. All right, you guys, so Selena also came out with lip glosses, okay? So this is a Stay Vulnerable, oh my gosh, hold on. This is a Stay Vulnerable, you guys, glossy lip balm. The shade that I do have is Nearly Rose. So it's more like a rosy tone, rosy pink color. But you guys, I went ahead and added some highlight to the blush. So, ooh. This is the packaging. How pretty. Oh, I love this. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love the color. Let's see what it looks like on the lips. Alright, you guys, this color looks so good on the lips. So here it is, you guys. So I'm so shocked by the color because when I was online, you guys, and when it went to the brown skin girl, the color didn't look so like poppy. But the color is really there, you guys. It's not overpowering. It's definitely not overpowering. It's there though. Like, it's a gloss, but there's pigment to the gloss, and I absolutely love that because several days out of the week, I don't want to have lipstick on my lips all the damn time. Like, I just don't want to have lipstick on my lips. So if I just want to throw on a gloss and go, just as, you know, for the moisture and hydrating, I just want to be able to do that, you guys, and just go about my business. All right, you guys, so this is going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, you guys. I am, like I said, getting ready to get some new content going. I have a new intro, new outro coming up, so you guys stay tuned for that. It's in the works, in the making as we speak. So your girl is trying to do big things here, grow this channel to 50,000 subscribers or more, whatever the Lord's willing to give you, girl, okay? So if you made it to the end of the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload the videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.